boots get stuck in the mud. Let's pack up a life, baby, and call it a night. 'Cause the longer we stay here, the harder the fight. I said, hey, yeah, call it a start.
So I've just finished up with the information centre where the Artesian Time Tunnel is. There's a bit of a museum in there as well, heaps of information. What do you think?
Yeah, it was good. The girls weren't too bad, they enjoyed most of it, so if you're in the area, it's worth doing.
Yeah, lots of information to take in. I think you can spend a couple of hours there just reading all the information. We're on just seen the Cunnamulla Fella now. We tripped over. Just seen the Cunnamulla Fella, and now we're on our way to the park. It's massive actually. It's like 3 big slides, and yeah, we'll see where we end up.
You will see us howling like wolves in the night. 'Cause nothing is stronger than wanting what you might.
So Hoofbeats Tours with Paul. It's well worth doing if you're in the area. He's only just started up here and he's getting to know the local attractions. So before you even go doing any sightseeing, make sure you jump on with him. It's $25 per adult and $15 per child. It's about a 45-minute drive ride around the town, and he takes you to all the attraction points, and it's a good starting point to get to know the history for the town. He's about to start a show up at the showgrounds too, which would be good. Unfortunately, we're a little bit too early for that and we're going to miss it. But yeah, make sure you get down, get on his cart and go for a lap around the town. We highly recommend it. It was really good and the kids enjoyed it.
Ain't no worries, don't you worry about a thing. Oh, 'cause as long as we're together, home can be a million different things. I said, hey, yeah, call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking our hearts. I said, hey, yeah, follow the spark. Ain't nothing but a one way. Yeah, call it a start by leaving behind what's breaking.
How cool is this? A little jetty to fish on just up the road from Warrego camp that we're at. How cool is that? You wouldn't think that we're in Central Australia with the amount of water we're seeing around. It's unbelievable. Talk to all the locals and they haven't seen water like this for like 4 to 6 years, they say. So it's pretty crazy. If you're thinking about getting out here, now's the time to do it. Alright, you want to go pull the Gabby pot in, Hazel? Come on. Where are you, Ev? Hold on, wait for Daddy.
They're ready?
Alright, do you want to pull it in?
Yeah.
Or you want Daddy to do it?
I want you to do it.
Okay.
No.
Oh, none yet. We'll try and put it back in.
Not yet. Oh.
Just down here at Cunnamulla railway station, and we're going to be doing the light show for the evening. So bought ourselves some wine and Miles has got a beer. I'll let you know how it goes. So tickets for the light show are $22 each and kids under 5 are free. But I'll let you know over here what the other prices are.
So this band's here to represent when the troops come home from war. This was the locals that played when they returned on the train.
Well, we just finished the railway show, and definitely add that to your list if you're coming out to Cunnamulla. Lots of history. They go straight right back from the beginning of the town and just how the town develops. How amazing. Beautiful.
Do you want to pull it in? Oh, big pulls.
Good job, Hazel.
Okay, Hazel, you want to help?
And what's the plan if we do have yabbies?
And there's some prawns.
Oh wow, there's prawns!
Look at that, we caught one, girls.
Oh, he's a baby.
Yeah, we'll let him go. Hey, look at that prawn though, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, I know.
Picture?
No.
Hey?
No.
Wow, Hazel. He's not going to get you, I got him. Hey?
There we go, so there's yabbies and Miles reckons prawns in the Warrego River here. So if you're staying here at Warrego Riverside, make sure you bring a yabby pot. Some firewood. All you have to do is come out to the bushes and it's free for all, just obviously anything on the ground. So if you've got a chainsaw, that'll be handy. We unfortunately had to use a splitter, so I was pretty tired from that, especially after our swim. So now we're just going to start the fire and relax for the afternoon.
What is this?
So the water that comes out of here is 42 degrees and then it just gets cooler as it pushes along the river. You're sinking a bit.
I'm not cooking close.
The weight limit says 59 kilos. The weight limit says 59 kilos. I think the pink one's going to be different.
Fish. Look at all of them. You cast one. You got one?
Who wants this one?
Me.
Alright, we came, we saw.
What are you doing now?
Fishing.
good is this Migaloo in the outback? Seriously though, if you're down here, you got to check out Charlotte's Plains. It is great.
A hard rock line.
So walking around the van, and I was just kicking the tyres, and I got a rattling noise when I kicked this one. That's because the hub was moving back and forward. So it pays just to check your gear. It's probably been doing that for a long time, and I just never realised. So that's what the inside of a brake looks like. Sensible brake dust.
Yeah.
Lucky it wasn't the bearing. Well, it was the bearing, just loose. But hasn't damaged the housing or anything, so that's good. Don't have to replace any parts. But it shows you need to know some stuff when you're travelling, because you have to be able to do that stuff by yourself if you're out. Like what we're 100 k's out of town now.
Yeah.
That's it, you hold it there. Nice and strong. Thank you for helping, Evelyn.
You're welcome. Let me keep holding it.
Yeah, you can keep holding it if you want.
If I ever get back home again, I'll never roam no more. Gather round the good time, boys, listen to my song. May not know better, but I know you know right from wrong.
What are we doing today, Mum?
We're going to Nindagully.
Nindagully. That's good. Who else?
We're going to Fallon and see the silos.
Balance, see the stars. Who else?
That's it.
That's it. Bye. So, I'll meet you out there, and I will see you morning.
Oh, thanks for having us, Charlotte Plains. Beautiful property. We're on our way out now. We've got State of Origin tonight, and we are going to watch the game at Nindagully Pub.
It's a great little spot. Make sure you get down and check it out if you're passing through. I think I had like 6 baths. Like I've never had so many baths in my life in 2 days. I think the best bath that I had was when we went last night. Just lying there looking at the stars. It was a cold night. It was like 10 degrees.
9 o'clock at night.
Yeah, but when you hopped out, you didn't feel cold. It was perfect. So
Yeah.
if you're hesitant to get in at night time or early morning, just get in there and do it.
Just
it was
do
really,
it.
really good. Yeah, I had to twist Crystal's arm to get in last night.
It was very cold. I've walked down in my Ugg boots.
Yeah. But yeah, that's it for Charlotte's Plains, and now we're off to check out some silos and stay in Nindagully the night. So
Yeah.
that'll be in the next episode. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you please like and subscribe to the channel because it's really helping us out.
Kangaroo.
Roos just keep running out in front of us today. That's the 4th one I've almost hit.
Yeah, I'm on kangaroo watch.
We don't belong here. I want more out of life. The longer we stay here, our boots get stuck in the mud.